Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. So today we are going to do the review of episode 11 of Isengane Lengane. And you guys know certain sins I don't care about, okay? If you kunabantu bangathabethe, miss me, okay? Miss me with that sin. I am boycotting umndeni wakathabethe. I've had enough. I don't understand why we are seeing them as much as we are seeing them. So when it comes to those sins, you guys, you're not going to hear much from me. You're not going to hear much from me. But a lot was happening, you guys, because Thando is sorting out the people. Uyabalanda one by one. Ubalanda fresh. And I'm like, yes, Thando. Yes, Thando. Guys, listen, can somebody speak to the Lord, okay? Tell the Lord that when he brings the gray hair, can he just bring it all at once, okay? Or if he doesn't just want to bring all of it at once, just even it out, okay? I'm not understanding what's happening with this patch that keeps getting grayer and grayer while the rest of the hair is waiting to get gray, okay? Just do it at once so that I can look like those women who just have gray hair nicely. And I don't have to spend $250 dyeing my hair. Okay? Speak to the Lord. Those who are closer to the Lord, please, please, please pass the message. He must just bring the gray hair evenly. Okay? Even if he just does it one time. Okay? I would appreciate it. Thank you, Lord. Okay? So listen, you guys. So this episode, we were getting Uthando no Baba Wake finally having a conversation, and the wives Bagathabethe are there, you guys. I do like the increasing participation yabantu not Bagathabethe man Bagadlamuka. Why Bagathabethe Bagadlamuka? I do like the fact that they are participating more, you guys. I do understand, you guys, that listen, because the show is about Uthando no Siyaxela, sometimes they just have to get other people to participate on the show. I wouldn't mind it as long as kungebona abantu bakathabethe, because abekho abantu abangidina njengalabo on the show, especially Thando's father. But here, you guys, hey, did he not say ukuthi uMakathando still wants him? Did he not say that? Did he not say that? Imagine watching your ex, and not just the recent ex, not the recent, the long ago, the one who zalisa you the first child when you were still a teenager. That ex saying you still want him, I was like, yeah, I can't wait for your response. Kamakathando, when she finally sees the episode, this guy is sitting there. I'm like, hey. But anyway, you guys, listen. So Baba Thando has to come and account, because of course he was sitting there having a conversation with his family about Thando's child not being Siyaxela's child, okay? They are saying it was a story that was started on Facebook. He also said that he was sent the photos, and he says that when they were sitting and having a conversation, guys, the words just come and they are like, yeah, and they are like, we want to come out, and then and guys, that's what he's saying. And he is specific to say that he did not mean that Uthando slept with Dodlamuka or slept with Unjabula, guys, because there was a thing, you guys. There are things that even if you think it, you are not supposed to say it, especially if you are somebody's father. You are not supposed to say certain things about your child, unless, of course, you don't care about what happens with your relationship with your child, which is what Uthando is saying here. It's okay. I thought me and Dad were okay. That confused me a little bit, because I was like, but Thando, you've never really been okay with your father. But still, I also didn't expect him to say something like that. I feel like in that conversation, you guys, when they were sitting, because there were cameras, there should have been somebody, because all of them were adults there. I'm sure that somebody must have thought this is not a conversation for us to have on national TV about somebody that we are claiming to love, because everyone, Bagathabethe, is claiming to love Thando so much, they care about her so much, but they are there by TV telling everybody that her child might not be Siyaxela. Okay, so she says she didn't mean to Thando slept with Udlamuka or Unjabolo. And Uthando is like, listen, Ubaba usejwayele actor, guys. Apparently he is like I don't want to say struggling actor, because he hasn't really acted much. Up and coming, okay? he is an up and coming actor, but who is up and coming. So he's been an extra here and there in these KZN productions. Abo angazi noma uzalo noma ubano some production layer, the one that is laba bathepa like KZN. While he was on one show as an extra. So Uthando is like, I look such a look actor Lona. He's acting right now, and Uthando said, "Bam tugile, you guys," and they need to explain that. And bam tugile ver. But when somebody says your child is not your husband's, they mean that you have been aging around. Okay, you are the age of Kwadlamoka. Everybody that wants it and needs it, you are giving it to them. Okay, other people can say it, but your father, your parent. Your parent is not supposed to say something like that about you. Okay. So, anyway, the wives were like, listen, you are like that the Dlamuka kids are not here, meaning that the sons Baga Dlamuka, because this wouldn't be a very pleasant conversation, because what you basically accuse their father of is a very serious thing. Okay. And then in the diaries, all of the wives are saying the same thing, which is that they feel like Ubaba Thando was angry at Usiacela, and this was a thing of revenge. And now in the diary session, what to be funuguzwa ukuthi Usiacela amalokhuzana akhe aqinile yini, I don't know why, as a father, you are concerned about ama of your son-in-law. Because, like, as a father-in-law, you must never even be thinking about your son's private parts. That's one. And mentioning them in relation to your grandson. I don't know, guys. It's just something that doesn't even happen. You are not even supposed to think that your son-in-law has a private part. Okay? That's how far you're supposed to be from his private part. Your thoughts are not even supposed to go there. But again, that's what he's saying. And Uthando, I think she tried to hold back when it came to her father to say, listen, I'm not going to say much to my father, but I wish Pinky was here because listen, I am in Tombazane Yase Kandla Kaiwan. Okay, I don't know what the Kaiwan thing means, guys. Okay, because now I need to be able to say it sometime. Okay. Listen, go ask Zinyat Kaiwan. I want to say, what does Kaiwan mean? So you just say it once, is it doom? Anyway, you guys, listen, she said she wishes Upinka was there because anyway I figured in Tombazane. Those who are not Zulu, how do I explain that? Yeah, one a lot. The Zulus, we have this thing of saying, okay, if you are a woman, and I am a woman, we can settle the score, okay? We can settle the score, okay? We can do it right here. The hands, the hands will reach the woman before you reach the woman. You know what I mean? Yes, that's what we mean when we say, says figure it so whatever. Hey, it's on site. Yes. The Americans say it's on site. When I see you, there is no talking, okay? If you have a weapon, use it, okay? If you don't have a weapon, I hope your hands, okay? I hope your hands are working, because that's what you mean when you say, when she gets a message, she must just know, what's it? Next time we meet, hey, me and you is finishing the story. You understand, guys? Yes, in fact, sifana bang ashe ngibe umuntu o explain abantu isiZulu ngibachazela abantu isiZulu. Anyway, you guys, that was a scene. I think he apologized to Themkosi, but I have no hope for a relationship with Themkosi no Thando. In fact, I don't want it for Thando. It's the first father-daughter relationship that I honestly can say from deep down in my heart, I don't want it for Thando, because I feel like Themkosi has never had good intentions for Thando. And they are fighting. I feel like the Tabetha family are fighting to get Uthando on their side so that they can use her. They feel like Mayela Payana, the Dlamuka family is using her. They're getting money through Uthando. They feel like if she's here, they don't care about Uthando. It's not about Uthando's future and all of that. They want Uthando on their side so that they can use her, just like they are using her now, getting all of the screen time that they've been getting on this show this season. Anyway, you guys, apparently Themkosi akasayena wakaThabethe is no longer Thabethe because there was the wrong surname. You know why they are bringing this thing up? It's because Thando had mentioned, I think it's Thando or Thando's mom that had mentioned, Pinky is not Themkosi's sister. People have been saying that online. People have even said that Themkosi and Pinky, where they are seen as lovers. You know, when you see them, you see so people are suspecting what Upiki was never a Thabethe. He just showed up so that he can do the show, but he is not related to Themkosi and he's not related to Uthando. Now, remember Uthando when she asked for a DNA because she said, since they are saying that she will do the DNA and settle the score, but they must also do the DNA pink in no. So now they are trying to find a way where they can justify why the DNA thing won't work between Pinky and Themkosi, because Themkosi now is coming up with a story. He even brought his mother, guys, because everyone Katabete has to get some screen time. Brought his mother. His mother is like saying, no, you know what, we were using his mongo saga. My mother married there, so it's your stepfather's my stepfather's surname. I think that's the only reason they're bringing it, because they want to say Pinky is not related to Themkosi so that people can stop pushing the thing of a DNA, because I also don't believe Pinky is related to Themkosi, okay? Because over there by TikTok, sometimes they look like my Jola available too. So how do Jola, how can my dad be Jola ring with my aunt? They have a very weird, too close relationship for cousins or sisters. It's off. We must question that because now they're busy here questioning it. So we must question them as well. Anyway, guys, we had another scene where Uthando and Ukamavundla were cooking for the other wives because they wanted to talk about what's going on with their husband and honestly, I didn't feel the need for this scene. But Uthando was just saying that she's not happy with Inhlamba. And they mustn't be surprised that for one day she leaves. And Umashange said, good recession, listen, Thando is not going anywhere. Okay, Thando is not going. She is going to leave. Apparently, sometimes she packs her bags and goes, but she never exits the gate. She will just go, I make a teeny, and then she goes back. And then the next day when they are checking on her, she's like, I know, Siyacela apologized. And then everything goes away. Okay. Anyway, you guys, so they cooked the food. But did you see, guys, they cooked the food, which looked nice for Udla Wasemakai, because we have salad, rice, nyama, salad. But did you guys see that nobody really ate that much? You know, I think they cook bugul. I'm a plate with the food on it. Okay, so I feel like, and you know, Makaya, sometimes even bepegile Makaya, kuna masala tukudla, ube gubi unjani. And I was surprised because big no shatin, guys. Ushatin can make the food eatable. Anything with shatin can make. Ushatin, guys, what is tomatoes, chilies, and onions. Ushatin, hello. Yes. End of the end, Zopali exam is. So, okay, you guys, yeah, that's what happened. So they wanted to talk to the mama about that, which they're not happy with how Siyacela speaks about Thando, Inhlamba, and all of that. So they said they're going to try and speak to Siyacela, but obviously Siyacela doesn't listen to anybody. They're saying Siyacela from being a child, he has always been like that. You are Delela and you are Hlupa, has been in Gane Hlupayo. They also said to go see Usiyacela. What did I just remembered something now. Then I forgot. Anyway, guys, okay, this is what I was remembering. Uthando says, when they were, sometimes when they are sleeping, and this is not the first time she says this, you guys. She says sometimes in the middle of the night, Usiyacela would just wake up and start crying. Atiena, he's missing his dad, he's missing his mom. Uthando is saying, she's tired of that. Imagine guys, Usiyacela jobe delela kangaka. when the cameras are around, when the people are around, uyakuthuka and all of that. And then in the middle of the night, you're trying to get some sleep and rest. Here is uSiyacela crying because he's missing his mom that passed away long ago, and his dad. I understand his dad. I mean, I understand him missing his parents, but to cry in the middle of the night about it. So apparently that's a thing, you guys. Anyway, I feel like maybe it's just a manipulation. So uThando stays and feel like nobody will be able to care for uSiyacela. But men can be very manipulative. So apparently we are calling uSiyacela. So even that, uThando says that she's tired of that because in the middle of the night, uSiyacela will just randomly wake up akhale. And anyway, the wives get bakadlamuka promised ukuthi bazokhuluma noSiyacela. Now over there by Themkosi is there telling his mom ukuthi, you know what, uMakathando calls me and I think she wants me back, and mina sengiganiwe mina nginengoduso. So even unkosikazi wami would be worried about the calls that she is making to me in I think ulona ube bakathando angazi noma angazi uyabona ukuthi sometimes I can be untando yabo, but sometimes I can just think I am Michelle Obama, you know. I think unaleyo nto leyo, I don't know what we can call it. You think you are something that you are not, and you are something that you're not even close to being. I think he thinks it's the hottest thing, efunwayo and whatever. I'm like, I know Makathando, but I don't even think that. I think she regrets even getting with you, but Kay will never know, you guys. We'll find out when Makathando responds to this whole thing. Okay? She wants me back. Why would she want a man that took 100 years to hlawula ingane ngo 3,000 rands? After I say I make it happen. Even that 3,000 rand was not paid by Ubaba Thando, was paid by Pink. And then Makathando wants that man back. Okay. Anyway, you guys, that's all that we got in this episode, you guys. I guess the Dlamukas, Thando, they're back at Olundi. They actually didn't see Thando taking the DNA. Maybe they didn't see the need at the end of the day after they had those conversations with the Thabete people, because there was supposed to be the thing that they had gone to Durban with, discussed that with the family, and uThando had said when's the DNA test on the child so that everybody can just know once and for all ukuthi ingane iyakuphi. But then she ended up not having a DNA, so I'm guessing ukuthi that's the reason. Okay. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's the reason. What did I say? I guess you guys, they just didn't need they didn't feel the need, because everybody's saying, listen, that was wrong to say, we don't mean this, we don't mean that. But I would have just done the DNA so that I can just on their face. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like the video before you're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.